Well, I read all the reviews on Amazon. Well, not Amazon, but YouTube about this tonneau cover from MostPlus. Everybody was ranting and raving about them, how well they fit and how easy they are to install. So I went in and ordered mine for my truck, and I'm going to install it and see what I think about it. Okay. I will be back and I will let you know how it goes. Well, I got my box open, and so what came in the box? Of course, you get your tonneau cover. You get your hardware, instruction manual, the foam piece for the part of the truck bed that is uneven. And I thought this was kind of funny because I know I've heard some of y'all talk about that on your videos that, sorry, I have a cold. But anyway, that you wish there was some type of a lighting system. I wonder if this is new. Are they now including a light with the purchase of your tonneau cover? Anyway, that's what came in my box. I'm waiting for the sun to go down a little bit more before I install this thing, because it's hot out here today. And I'd rather do it when it's cooler. All right, I will catch up with you guys in a minute. Well, there it is. I just installed it before the rain started. Probably not going to be full leak proof because of this area here. I think the water's going to seep inside that, but we're going to see once it starts raining here. But got it installed. Wasn't very hard to do at all. It took about 15 minutes. I think the longest part was just reading the instructions. But it fit really well. Really happy with it. Nice black vinyl. So, MostPlus, I think I picked this up on Amazon. I think it was right around $145. It was on sale this week. So, anyway, hope this helps somebody.